We're here to the 8th edition Residences Miami, Edgewater with Sora.
Hi, Dennis. Welcome.
Hi, nice to see you again.
Likewise.
Yes, I'd love to introduce it with Sora and tell you about this, I would say, unique for the location project.
Yes.
So please tell me why here, why today the developer decided to build this first edition residences actually in Miami.
Yeah, exactly. Edgewater is a super upcoming area because of its location. You can get anywhere so quickly from Miami to downtown, Design District, Wynwood, Midtown, even the airport. So we are like 10, 15 minutes to everything. So that made it super interesting. But there was a need for something a little more luxurious. And that's why the Edition brand, which is a hotel brand under the Marriott, but one of their newest brand, very organic looking. So this is the first edition in the world, fully residential.
So there is no hotel component, is it correct?
That's
the first
right.
one,
yes,
and of its
yes.
kind. And here you can see, well, I would say one of the concepts of Edition,
yeah.
which is organic, related to nature.
Yeah.
As you see, a lot of greenery.
Yes.
So is it going to be the same in the
yes.
residences?
Especially Miami, where you see brands everywhere. Many brands are only linked to the design. This brand goes above and beyond the design. You get the look and feel that you will see here at the sales gallery. Lots of plants, indirect lighting, which makes everything looks beautiful, neutral palettes. So all this you're gonna encounter at Edition, but it goes above and beyond design. The hospitality brand behind it, you know, it's gonna give you the best service from the moment you're greeted at the valet, or you're at the pool deck with towel service, food, you name it. You really have a concierge working for you.
So we have this luxury, beautiful, renowned brand, but we're still connected to the nature, which is Miami.
Exactly.
You know? We want to feel it here,
yes.
and you want to be in a resort.
Exactly.
So we're gonna talk about amenities because they are exceptional.
Absolutely.
And for this, we need to move to another area. So tell me more about this beautiful architecture. Who's the architect? Why this design? And what is unique about your layouts?
Yes. So the architect is Arquitectonica, which is one of the biggest in the world. They had built so much in Miami. And I think that's important because they have the know-how and they really know how to build beautiful, spectacular buildings. Here we have 185 residences, 55 stories, which is very boutique for Miami. Every single residence has direct, unobstructed water views. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms. Again, every single one with direct, beautiful views. And the views here are spectacular during the day, but at night is also stunning because you have not only the islands, but the yachts, and sometimes the reflection of the moon makes it very romantic.
Because we're facing the east, that's where the moon rises, and the sun as well.
Exactly.
So imagine waking up at night, even at night, like
yes.
with this beautiful full moon, with all these reflections, not only the ocean, but also the bay. So you get everything, the best of Miami's
yes.
views.
Regardless of what floor you're at, the views is spectacular.
Yeah, because there is nothing else beside the water.
Nothing
and
obstructed.
after that, we see Miami Beach and then infinite ocean.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
Yes, yes. And we also have great amenities. You know, on the ground level here, we have 6 guest suites. So let's say you have friends and family visiting, rather than stay in a hotel, they can stay in those guest suites, which looks like hotel rooms. They're not open to the public, and they're gonna range an affordable rate of $100 to $150 a night. Just for your friends and family.
It's an incredible rate. You don't find anything like that.
Anything, especially at the Edition level, right?
Exactly.
Our pool deck is located on the southeast of the property where you get the most sun exposure throughout the day. Obviously, you're gonna have tower service, umbrellas, you can order food, drinks, you name it. So you're really gonna feel like you're in a resort. And then you have the floors 8 and 9, the whole full floors are also amenities.
So you dedicated how many floors in total?
55 stories, but the 8 and 9, it's all amenities.
But not only that, you have more.
Yes, I have bonus amenities in the
Additional
back
amenities,
above the garage, which are spectacular. We have a state-of-the-art fitness center with yoga, Pilates, spinning areas. We have a spa that will be fully staffed by addition, where you can get manicures, pedicures, hair done, theater room, gaming room, multi-sport simulator, meeting rooms, kids playroom. You have a party room equipped with a full chef's kitchen. So if you ever want to do a dining or something beautiful, you can utilize that space. There are so many things, pickleball courts, restaurants, you name it.
You name it, we have it, right?
Yes.
So basically it's a 5-star, maybe even 6-star resort, but there is no hotel component.
No hotel, which makes it very private and exclusive.
Amazing, just stunning. So I know that you have a beautiful model unit here where we can see the finishes.
Yeah.
Basically how they are.
Exactly. Let's go check it out.
Yes. So, Edition residences come fully finished.
Yes.
So, could you tell me more about the finishes? What is included?
Yes. So we do get this beautiful cabinetry, which is oak, and we're gonna have a white color option to pick from. We get Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, and we get gas cooktop. People that likes to cook love that because the food tastes better. It does come with the stone, as you see here, the lighting behind the backsplash. All of them has the wine refrigerator by Sub-Zero. And if you want to come here, full-size refrigerators and freezers by Sub-Zero as well.
For a big family, which is family-oriented. The whole project is
very exclusive, family-oriented. And they all come with flooring. We're going to have more than 3 options of flooring to pick from. All residences have 10-foot ceilings. They all come with parking spaces. They all have private foyers when you come out of your elevators with 2 foyers, 2 elevators into each foyer, and 2 services elevators in the back.
So in total, you have 4 elevators.
Per unit.
Per unit.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You will never have to wait.
Never have to wait. They all comes with assigned parking spaces too, so people that love their cars, they can park their own cars.
Which is not a common thing with
Yeah.
now luxury developments. Usually have only valet parking. Here you have the option to park it itself.
Yeah, we have the assigned parking spaces and the complimentary valet parking. All residences come pre-wired for window treatment, so you don't have to make any holes on the walls. They all have a designated laundry area within your residence with doors, which gives you not only full-size washer and dryer, but also more storage space.
All right, let's move to the living room.
Yeah.
And that's what I was talking about. Look at those views.
Spectacular views, direct views of the bay, Miami Beach, the islands. You also see the cruise ships turning around right there. So definitely gorgeous views from every single residence. And they are all huge here. Every residence here are super large. The 1 bedroom is over 1,900 square feet.
1,900 square feet for 1 bed.
The 2
Impressive.
bedrooms are over 2,300 square feet. So the 3 bedrooms, they're either above 2,700 square feet or over 3,100. And the 4 bedrooms are nearly 3,800 of interior space.
It's huge. But with all these views, it will look even bigger with all this light space.
Absolutely. And the terrace is very expensive too. So aside from a large interior, beautiful terrace and spectacular views.
That's $1 million view.
Absolutely.
More than $1 million.
Yes.
Right. So here we have this beautiful bathroom, and even here, look at this splendid view.
Yeah. You get these direct water views from your primary bathroom on the 3 and 4 bedrooms. But this is the finishes. This is what you're gonna get on your primary. You're gonna get this beautiful stone, which was gonna be throughout the whole bathroom. Oak cabinetry. We also gonna have a white color option to pick from. Backlit mirrors, under-counter lighting, as you see here. They all gonna have a wet room with a shower tub combo. And as I mentioned, from the 3 and 4 bedrooms, you do get this spectacular views. On your water closet, the door is frosted for privacy, and the toilet will also have the bidet feature.
That's what we are looking for. And those shampoos, are they coming?
You're gonna find this in the amenities for sure, which is Edition branded toiletries, and you're also gonna have the Le Labo smell throughout the whole property, which is, you know, a signature scent by Edition.
Basically a little touch which actually links you to the Edition brand.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're here looking at all these details, and it's all about details. Actually.
Absolutely. Yeah. Every single residence here also has the powder room, which is the half bath for your guests.
To sum it up, let's say the first main thing about this project is location.
Yes, centrally located. You can get anywhere in 5 to 10 minutes. Second, the Edition brand, which is a hospitality brand, but the first edition in the world, fully residential.
No hotel component.
No hotel component.
But a five-star
resort style lifestyle, absolutely. And then the third one is spectacular views from every single residence.
So thank you so much for this amazing tour as usual. And I would love to see you soon again.
Yes.
Whoever wants to visit, please let us know.
Let us know.
Yeah,
it was a pleasure having you.
The gallery is open, I guess, every time.
Every time, and by appointment, you know, so you're welcome.
See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.